Hello everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I film videos about fashion and hauls, Primark, B&M, Amazon, all those things. Planner videos because I'm a planner girl, and plus size fashion, lifestyle things. So yeah, I'm gonna film a very easy get ready with me makeup look. Just so you know though, I'm partially sighted, colorblind, so my makeup looks are not very intricate. It's going to be more about the base and foundation. I'm going to talk to you about the products I'm going to use. So I'm going to use, I've already put I've already done my skincare routine, lots and lots of layers. 45 with sensitive skin, just if you need to know. 45 anyway. So I am going to use the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. If you haven't tried this product, you should. It makes my makeup last for a long time. It feels like butter. I really like this. Then I'm going to use the Born to Glow NYX foundation. I'm in the color Vanilla. This makes your makeup look dewy and very like glowy. I really like this. And it's not that expensive either. I'm going to use the Halo Glow what's it called? Halo Glow setting powder to set my makeup. Then I'm going to go in with my Physician Formula butter bronzer. I have the shade powder. Oops, what shade do I have? I do not know. I can't read this, but this is the shade. I hope it's not upside down. So that's the shade. Then I'm going to use my Clinique what's it called, Ginger Pop. There you go. I'm gonna try, I've already used these, I like these. I'm gonna give them what's it called, the Trini London pot. I have 3 and I'm gonna use them. So I have Miracle Blur, which is a blurring cream. That's it. I'm gonna use this to cover up wrinkles and stuff. And then I'm also going to use the, what's this one called, the Fortune eyeshadow, and I might use this lip glow in the shade what's the shade called? It's called Honor. So this is just going to be a very natural makeup look. Then I'm going to use my Hourglass highlighter. There, that shade. I think I'm going to use this one. Anyway, so that's the makeup look I'm going to film. So I'm going to be pausing quite a bit, but yeah, get your coffee. And as I said, not a makeup artist. So if you wear glasses like me and you just want to see how other people do their makeup, this turtleneck thing is not. Anyway, if you want to see that, keep on watching. So I'm applying the what's it called? The primer. It feels like a butter. It's really nice on the skin and it is quite long lasting. My makeup usually falls apart here on the cheeks, so yeah, so I'm gonna put some in the 11s, try to cover them. So that's what I'm gonna do here, and then I've covered my face with that. And I'm also going to use the Trini London Miracle Blur, which is supposed to be like a miracle blur, blurs out imperfection. So I'm going to use some of this as well. And I'm going to put it where I said, in the 11s. Let me just take my mirror. Let's see if it's going to blur them. So just pat it in. Just patting it in. I don't know, what do you think? Has it blurred anything? Yeah, I think it doesn't make the wrinkles here very standouty, but I don't think they go away. Anyway, so that was the Miracle Blur product. And then I'm going to put on my foundation, which is this one. Just going to shake it a little bit. This, you don't need a lot. It's quite watery, so you just squirt out a little bit and it's fine. Now, because I don't see well, I like using my hands. because I know I can feel where the foundation is going. So I'm just going to apply this all over the face. I just put a little bit in on my fingers and it's going everywhere. Hang on, I've got a bit of, I've still got my blepharitis. I don't know if you've watched any videos. Let me just clear that. Okay, so I've put on my foundation. I think I might do my brows a little bit later as well, just to I'll show you what I use. Now I'm going to use the Halo. This is just to calm the cream, the foundation down. So I'm going in with my Look Good Feel Better brush. I don't even know when I got that. Now this sheds quite a bit, so I'm just gonna pat it in just here under my, and there we have it. A little bit of a glow. And now I'm going to use my Physicians Formula bronzer. So I need it to be here. Okay, now I'm going to use some of my whatchamacallit. I'm not using a I'm not using a mirror. I really rarely do. Just a bit here and a bit here. Okay, now we're going to check everything because I probably do need a mirror now. Okay. So I'm just going in again with my brush and just blending everything upwards. If you're a makeup artist or you have any advice to help me do my makeup a bit better, let me know in the comment section. Now I am going to put on my eyeshadow, which was, as I said, from Trini London. And this is the shade Fortune. It's very creamy. This is what it looks like up close. I'm just going to put it on my eyelids. So you can see the top of my head now, sorry. I'm just putting it on, patting it on the eyelid that moves, whatever it's called. What do you call this bit? Just patting this on. I've got you sitting on my computer. So I'm just going to check everything, blending it a little bit at the top. Oops, there's a little bit of an issue there. So it's a very subtle eye look. I just blended it a little bit, and you can see where I wear my glasses because I wear glasses. I love those tutorials, makeup for glasses, and they're people who can see like amazing, have amazing vision, and they do all these intricate things. I can't do those. So now I'm just going to put on a little bit of highlighter or blusher. I don't know what this is, but anyway, I'm going to put some on. Okay, I'm scared now. Haven't used this before. I'm using the Hourglass. So let's see. Oh, that's subtle. Subtle, I think. Let's go here. Just tapping it in a little bit. Now I'm going to use the what's it called, the Honor Lip Glow, so you can see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It looks scary, but it's not. This feels really nice. These lip glows feel really nice. They don't stick. They feel very nourishing. So let's put on my glasses now. Let's put on my glasses so I can see what I've been doing. Hang on, I want to do my eyebrows a little bit. So I'm using the natural brow shaper, not a natural brow shaper. And I'm in brunette. Just a little bit of like a mascara for the eyebrows. And on the other eye. Hang on, I think I've gone a bit wonky here. Let me just fix my eye. And I'm done. My everyday natural kind of looking makeup look. So yeah, my eyebrows need plucking. I'm gonna get that sorted today. So yeah, you shouldn't film a face makeup look when your eyebrows are crap. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumb up. Let me know what you thought, and maybe give some tips. If you wear glasses like me, partially sighted, things like that, let me know what you thought. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Yes.